Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install and fix OBS black screen. So we need the OBS installer file. So go to Google and just search OBS. Then you will be able to find the OBS. So there you click on downloads and choose your operating system. Then click on the download installer. After download installer, you will be able to find OBS Studio 26.1 as this is my latest version. So right click on that. I'm going to install OBS in my local system. Okay, so continue with the next term and conditions. Here where I'm going to install, this is my C programs file. So I'm installing the my OS drive. Install. This is going to be installed. Okay, wait for some time. Actually, OBS is used for capturing recording from laptop, computer system, etc. And OBS can only capture video from one graphics card at a time. So that's why sometimes we are getting the black screen while we are just recording from the OBS. So computers that have only one GPU is not affected by any black screen issue. So installation is complete. Now I'm going to launch OBS Studio. Click on finish. So OBS install. See there, OBS install. Now we are going to just configure the OBS. So scene, I'm going to create two scenes. First, just rename this webcam and mic. Okay, just add one more in the add click scene where the capture, or as per your name you can change this one. So in webcam we are going to configure camera. So if you click on the plus, you will able to see audio input, audio capture input. These are the so what I am going to capture, display capture. So before that, what are webcam is over here, video capture device. So webcam, click here. See, you are able to see my screen over here. Hi, so this is the webcam. Okay, where I want my webcam in the right corner of the screen. Here background will come. Now add display capture. So screen, or we can write I will create the PowerPoint PPT. PowerPoint PPT, right over there. So we don't have now, so just click. So actually I want to take background, but this is coming black. So first we'll configure, then we'll see the further action. So first thing, go to over here. So first we'll just click on the Windows version. So for the Windows version, Windows+R, then we will run the WinVer. So my Windows version is 19.0.42. So see over here. So OBS fix method for the Windows 10 version 19.9, but I have a old version 19.9 for Nvidia laptops. So I am just first I will try to fix the method, a step by step process, app configuration. Okay, then second method is over here for Windows 10 version older than 1909. Let's see first method. No, will come from the second method. So what is the second? Step by step, right click on the desktop, then Nvidia. Yes, click over here, right click over there, and right click, let me see second method. Desktop select Nvidia, expand the 3D setting menu. I don't have Nvidia, so just try with the first method. What is the graphics setting? This one open graphics setting. So graphics setting, it will the app reference in classic app, but I don't have the classic app. So just go to the second step. Here is the app reference desktop app. Come over here. So I'll click on the desktop app. Desktop app, browse. This is coming with the C drive. So directly go to the C drive, programs file, OBS Studio, Bean 64, then OBS 64. Click on that. So you will be able to see the OBS Studio. This one. Now, just this part is completed. Select the OBS application in the folder by double clicking. We already did this one. Once selected, you would represent the graphics specification. So come over here. Yeah, this is graphics specification preferences. Okay, so there is two options: power saving CPU and high CPU. To make the OBS capture desktop, select the power saving option and click on save. So I am going to click on the power saving option and save. Then finally restart the OBS and problem should be solved. Okay. Let me close this one. I'm going to close. Then again OBS Studio. Okay, yeah, this page is coming. Okay, if not working, then please restart the system, so it will solve your problem. Okay, for older than 1909, on those have Nvidia control panel. So if you have Nvidia, then expand the 3D setting menu, click on manage setting menu, programs file, and just follow the instruction. So this is completed. First part, our black screen is completed. Now we are going to move how to configure to better explain. So come over here. So this one is coming to my lecture. Okay, for mic we don't need this thing. PowerPoint PPT, we don't want that. We want webcam. Webcam is already working. See, you are able to see me. I'm hiding this one now. And webcam mic. So add this audio input capture. So we can write the microphone default, automatically it will support. So click on OK. Then for lecture, what we will do, so webcam just put into full screen. Okay, so lecture, come here, add input, and we already have existing device, then might add there, plus video capture device. Already we have webcam, so click over here, just see it in the right bottom and middle, and wherever we want to adjust. Okay, so now I'm hiding this. Now we are going to add the screen, so we're going to our PPT. Power PPT, we're going to adjust the Power PPT, add this capture, see over there, we are able to see the full screen. Okay, so adjust this one. Okay, sorry, not a problem. I'll create the display capture. Windows capture is better. So we use the display capture. Okay, already we have made. So adjust this one. Okay, so what is my first slide? Just open that. Welcome to class. At another screen. You can write something over here. Just adjust this one to right. I'm going to adjust this one as per my requirement. Okay, so first right. Now put into top for coming to front. Okay, so go to the setting, and just create some hotkeys. I'm going to create lecture for F7 and this mic webcam and mic F1. Okay, just see how it will work. Just apply. Now one more thing, let me check. Okay, so for start recording with that lecture F7. Here F1 no, start recording. For recording I'm just giving the F1 and stop recording. F2 and for F1 start, F2 is this one, then this one, this F6 or F1 for the start recording, F2 for the stop recording, and for the switch to the scene for F7 will go to the lecture and F6 will go to the webcam and mic. Right? How it will work? Let's see. So now I'm in OBS Studio. Right? No need to touch your mouse. Directly I will click here. What is the showing? Start recording. Okay? So keep like this because I need this one also for the for teaching. So now click on F1. See, already automatically start recording, and it come to the stop recording. So this is now started. I'm just taking my class, and for the cursor directly if you want to teach, so go to the F7, F6 it will come to the, if you are showing how to learn, how to teach. So for this will come, or again I am going to return to the lecture. So click on F7, it is going to the lecture, and here click on the mouse for the second slide. So like that we can just configure this one. So again I am showing for scene, I am creating one scene for the stop recording. We have 2, so recording is stop. See, recording is stop now. So here again I am going to explain scene. I am creating one scene for webcam and mic. Okay, second scene I am creating for the lecture where we will just show the slideshow and we will show anything on our screen. We'll go for the lecture, and for this lecture I'm again calling the mic and webcam and PPT because I'm showing a PPT. Okay, so now everything is completed, so we are going to exit. Thank you.